How to cancel Milestone Credit Card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to cancel Milestone Credit Card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can cancel your Milestone Credit Card over the phone at the number shown on the screen. The line is available Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. The issuer does not have an option to cancel a card online, but you can send a written request to cancel your Milestone credit card to the following address shown on the screen. There are a few things that you should consider before canceling a Milestone credit card. The 16-digit number is required for any cancellation request, so make sure you have it within reach when you call or code it in your written cancellation request. Also, it's better to cancel your Milestone credit card after you have paid the balance in full. Otherwise, you will have to make at least the minimum payment due each month until the entire balance is paid off. The account is not considered officially closed until there is a zero balance, but you won't be able to make any new purchases. The Milestone credit card's annual fee is refundable only if you have not made any transactions before you cancel. It is also worth noting that canceling the Milestone credit card, or any card for that matter, may also affect your credit score. How much of an effect it will have depends on several factors such as your credit limit, payment history, and how long you have had the card. You should expect your credit score to drop at least a few points, but it should bounce back in a short period of time. So this is how you can cancel Milestone credit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.